video. And today we're going to be doing the first annual double video idea. Let's just call it that. I know I'm such a genius, right? Thank you. Yeah. Okay, let's get to it. So today we will be doing a unboxing to start off the video, and then we're going to be doing a mix of a show that signature. What's with this mic? It's so glitchy. Alright, so we got a cane, and let me just make him look at you real quick. There we go. And he really likes showing off his hands for some weird reason, and he has pants. Every wrestler has pants, Wiley. Alright, so these are two canes that we already have. The mask cane and the original cane that we have had first. And then this is Hardcore Holly. It's Hardcore Holly. It's Hardcore Holly. It's Hardcore Holly. Oh, just kidding. I don't eat these. I mean, I am pretty hungry. I might eat those later. Alright, let's get to the show that signature episode. Whoa! I'm sorry, Dean. I didn't mean to fly it like that. Who would I choose? Scotty Tuati. Okay. So, Scotty Tuati's worm goes a little like this. We just got to stretch out the figure. And Kofi Kingston is taking a nap real quick. And Scotty doesn't like when people take naps, so he's probably going to interrupt them. So it goes a little something like this. No, I'm going to get you. Whoa. That actually kind of scared me. Okay, so next thing he does is goes S-O-R-M. Okay. Ready? That's what happens. He makes that sound. When he does it, he goes like this. He goes like this. Help me out. Oh. Thank you. Okay. So we're gonna go with the awesomest person on earth, Roman Reigns, and he's gonna do the spear, cause he goes a little something like this. Goes something like that, but let me make it more clear. So he runs, no, kind of runs like this, and then he goes, goes a little like that, and then Kofi Kingston's like, oh my gosh, my best friend, he goes 3. Yeah, it goes a little like that. Who will I do next? Who will be my victim? Who will be? Can you guess? Leave your suggestions in the comment. No, just kidding. I'm not going to make you do that. I'm going to just do Chris Masters, because he's the master of doing masterful things. So Chris Masters makes him has his hands up like 911, you're getting arrested. All right, so he does a little something like this. He turns his arms, and then he goes something like this. I'm gonna strangle ya. I give up. No! That's what you get for giving up, you little whip. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Hit the like button, hit that subscribe button. Sorry this was such a weird video and short. I'm tired. Make me go to bed. Don't eat my tacos. Nom, 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 nom. Tacos. Nom, 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 nom. Tacos. I love them. Nom, 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 nom.